Face-to-face classes suspended at Clarendon-based school after suspected case of hand, foot and mouth disease reported. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Face-to-face classes has been suspended at the Chadlands Penn Infant and Primary School in Clarendon after 4 suspected cases of hand, foot and mouth disease were reported among students from the infant department. The Ministry of Education has advised that students from grade 1 to 6 in the primary department would have been in direct contact with the students from the infant department during a treat that was held on Friday, May 27. They will therefore not return to school for the rest of the week while deep cleaning to properly sanitize the building takes place starting Tuesday, May 31, the ministry said in a release. The ministry further added that all classes will be facilitated online to limit the occurrence of students missing teaching days. Arrangements are also being made for the National Grade 3 Diagnostic Examination to be administered as planned. Relative to the school, the examination are set to begin on June the 1st. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.